Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a hole on the floor. So simple, you just first you must estimate lah. If let's say your room height is 3,000 or let's say it's 3,000, then you want to create a hole on the floor, then you add another 1,000 or add another 1,000, add another 1,000. Okay, so make it 4,000. Okay, 4,000. Okay, after that 4,000 already like this, then you can come to this button, custom ceiling. Okay, just click on the floor platform. Okay, select this one, we make this one come up 1,000. Okay, so you may see off the top 3,000. This is the room height lah. Okay, simple. Okay, and then if you want to create a hole, okay, let's say rectangle hole or rectangle hole. Okay, click on it, click on this rectangle hole, then the elevation you change it to 100 lah. Oh, so it will drop to 900 here. Okay, drop to 900, drop down 900. Okay, so this is how you create the hole. Then after that, if you want to do back the wood floor, or you just click here or populate, just drag only. Okay, and if the skirting you want, you just click back this ceiling function, double click on it, or double click on it, click on it, this one, click section edit, then you just drag maybe base trim, drag this one. Okay, drag on it, maybe rotate it or mirror it. Okay, this is how you use the button. So you see here, all got cornice. Okay, simple as that. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.